Hello everyone, Joe Morton here for this edition of Positive In, a YouTube channel dedicated to positive going in so that positive can go out each and every day. Yes, each and every day we can be positive. We can look at the world in a positive manner. We can transform our days, first thing in the morning, sometime during the day, later in the day, whenever we are in control. So check this out. This is a really interesting one. I've talked a lot about we go in the direction of our thoughts. We become what we think about all day long. I mentioned this a lot of times, talked a lot about books. Here's a very interesting approach to this. If you do not believe me, you're scientific in your mindset and you're thinking, I want to see some science. Well, here's a certain take from a scientific perspective. This amazing book right here. It's called The Hidden Messages in Water by Dr. Emoto, a Japanese scientist. Some of you may have seen this, New York Times bestseller. It's been around for a while. However, you may not have seen this, and so I want to introduce you to it. Here's the premise. Our bodies are approximately 60 to 70% water. That's true. The world, the earth, is approximately 70% water. I think we'll all agree on this, okay? I'm not making this up. He does some scientific studies to say, okay, what happens if you speak positive words, if you speak kind words, and the opposite, if you speak negative words, if you speak words of hate, playing certain music of positivity, certain music not so positive, what happens to the water crystals when they form into ice? And so he does this in a matter, and again, in the book, you can get into in the book, I believe it's 23 degrees Fahrenheit, I don't remember the Celsius, but 23 degrees Fahrenheit, freezes these water crystals to see what happens. Remember again, we are 60 to 70% water made up of. The earth is 70% water. So watch what happens. Love and gratitude. If you could see what these crystals look like, I'll just kind of turn the page over here. These crystals form in this beautiful, beautiful, well, like what we would see a snowflake, just this gorgeous, gorgeous snowflake, okay? And likewise, thank you in Japanese. And then it goes into all these different thank you in English, thank you in Chinese, thank you in German, French, Korean and Italian. All these beautiful crystals are formed. But check this out. You fool in English, Japanese, and you make me sick. In Japanese, I will kill you. This is what the crystals form like. Now I'm going to try to get this up on the screen somehow. But you have to see how dramatic it is. And he did this consistently. This is what he's put his life work into as a scientist, to prove the words we speak make a difference. The thoughts that we have make a difference. He took it one step further. He even taped thank you on a bottle of water. He even taped words of gratitude, being grateful on a bottle, and it made a difference. The words that they spoke in prayer even, he did certain prayers to show the difference in the water and how it transformed with these crystals. Amazing. So think about it. If we are 60 to 70% water, it's a lot. The percentage of our body is a lot. Deepak Chopra's right, I believe. We can move molecules. Can transform a day. That's why you can see, and try it, how you can just like that, change a day. We are what we think about all day long. We become what we think about all day long. He even did some studies on some classical music that was focused on love and gratitude. Love and gratitude he keeps coming back to. Love, gratitude, love, gratitude. Sound familiar? Love, gratitude. Constantly coming back to here. Music that's focused on that, and then music that's focused a little harshly. He doesn't say the exact songs, but he says heavy metal, certain heavy metal music. Ends up the forming of the crystals completely different. One beautiful, one not so beautiful. We can move molecules. Yes, you have an ability to move molecules. If we truly are, and the world truly is, 60 to 70% water. Let's speak kind words. Let's think kind thoughts. Let's write kind words, let's write kind thoughts. And watch how our days transform. Thank you for joining. I am so grateful for you. See, I'll speak a little gratitude, some kind words. Love you. Make it a great day. Thank you.